Bonjour, c'est David. J'espère que vous allez bien. Hi everybody, this is David. I hope everybody's doing fine. These Word of the Day lessons are being brought to you by me. And I'm asking you to please go over to FrenchLearner.com and subscribe for your daily French Word of the Day lesson. I guarantee they are great. In today's lesson, we're going to have a look at one of my favorite expressions in the entire French language, n'importe quoi. N'importe quoi. Translations include anything, nonsense, or rubbish. Tu racontes n'importe quoi. You are full of it. Let's jump right into the lesson. Our first example sentence. Don't listen to Gérald. He's full of it, or he's talking nonsense or BS. Il ne faut pas écouter Gérald. Il raconte n'importe quoi. Il ne faut pas écouter Gérald. Il raconte n'importe quoi. So this first example sentence uses the expression il faut, which translates to it is necessary. Hence, I loosely translated il ne faut pas écouter Gérald to don't listen to Gérald. In French, both raconter n'importe quoi and dire n'importe quoi mean to talk or say nonsense. The French used the verb raconter to tell a story. Tu racontes une histoire, hence raconter n'importe quoi, to say or tell nonsense. Next sentence. Claude doesn't know how to ski. He has no idea what he's doing on the mountain. Claude ne sait pas faire du ski. Il fait n'importe quoi sur la montagne. One more time. Claude doesn't know how to ski. He has no idea what he's doing on the mountain. Claude ne sait pas faire du ski. Il fait n'importe quoi sur la montagne. So this sentence was really hard to translate. Il fait n'importe quoi translates literally to he does anything, but really means he has no idea what he's doing. Word Reference, an online dictionary which I use all the time, suggests that faire n'importe quoi means to be out of control. So this translation could have worked just as well. So, il fait n'importe quoi sur la montagne. He's out of control on the mountain, or he has no idea what he's doing. Next sentence. You didn't even listen to what I just said, dear. Whatever. In French, tu n'as même pas écouté ce que je viens de dire, chérie. N'importe quoi. One more time. Tu n'as même pas écouté ce que je viens de dire, chérie. N'importe quoi. So for this example, n'importe quoi is an exclamation meaning whatever. I couldn't find this definition or usage in any online dictionary, but I insist on this usage in spoken French. So for this example sentence, n'importe quoi means whatever in an argument. Next sentence and our final sentence. Anything would be more interesting than this lesson. N'importe quoi serait plus intéressant que cette leçon. One more time. Anything would be more interesting than this lesson. N'importe quoi serait plus intéressant que cette leçon. Évidemment, obviously the sentence was meant to be ironic. Merci mes amis, c'est la fin de la leçon. J'espère que vous comprenez parfaitement. I hope you understand perfectly how to use n'importe quoi in French now. Please do subscribe to my Word of the Day lessons on FrenchLearner.com. That would be a tremendous help and support for my work efforts. I do hope that these lessons are helping. À la prochaine, bonne journée et au revoir.